What's up YouTube, Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a home page in Microsoft Edge. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here we are on our Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to do is come down to the bottom and open Microsoft Edge. Once you open Microsoft Edge, all you're going to do is come up to the top right to the three dots, click on that, and then go down to Settings. Once you're in Settings, what you're going to do is go to Start, Home, and New Tab Page. Once you're in that, you're going to see when Edge starts, you're going to have open the new tab page. That's the default selection. You have open tabs from the previous session, and then you have open these pages. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on open these pages, and then you're going to add a new page right here. And for example, if you want to add in your YouTube channel to always open when you open Microsoft Edge, all you're going to do is do youtube.com/whatever your YouTube channel is. For me, it's youtube.com/KainuTech. So I'm gonna click on add right there. And then all I'm gonna do is close out my browser, and then boom, I'm gonna reopen it, and it should open to youtube.com/KainuTech. But that is how you set a default homepage in Microsoft Edge. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.